You can expect a lot from the 2021 Ram 1500.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and more. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.